What's up, awesome friends? It's me again, RJ Mr. Brightside, your average rider. At ngayong araw na to, right after makuha yung bagong motor natin, syempre, kailangan nating ipa-bless.
Karamikan ka itangal daw, at paay, papausaran mo, wapo, paay mo, at itiday nga anak mo, kandi si bubukay la familia. Kandi pa kaitanukan, ti man nakabali namin na Diyos, kandi pa nagserbi, ti kapada at ang tao. Gapo, iti pa kaitanukan.
This is just an affirmation and acknowledgement of the Lord's presence in my life. At bilang pasasalamat na rin dahil sa blessing na provide niya na to. At syempre, pag-ask na rin ng safety and protection every time na magra-ride. And to serve its purpose for the greater glory of God. Never forget God after you've gotten what you've prayed for. So awesome friends, meet my Husqvarna's Vartpilen 200 Phil hango sa Philippians 4:19. Ito yung first ride namin ni Mrs. with this Vartpilen. And sheesh, nasana kaya lang sheep. Maraming mga tupa sa daan. And pasensya na awesome friends kung wala kaming suot na safety gears. Alam nyo naman dito sa probinsya ang kultura natin. Anyway, short distance lang naman, hindi busy road at takbong chill lang naman. And shoutout pala sa napakaganda kong misis na nagbigay ng final permission para kunin tong motor na to. Kung bago ka lang dito sa channel ko, welcome, sana mag-subscribe ka, sana magustuhan mo. Pero ito talaga yung style ko. I abuse the freedom and the capability of Insta360 camera. So, ayun na nga, napabless na natin si Phil. So, I feel safer to ride it na. In this video, gusto ko lang pag-usapan yung nakita kong comment thread sa Facebook page ng isa sa mga magaling na sinusundan kong motovlogger, si JCat Moto. Ano daw mas importante, yung skills or knowledge sa pagdadrive or dasal? May mga nagsabi dun na number 1 daw talaga yung dasal. Well, hindi natin sila masisisi, that's their perspective and I completely respect that. At bilang isang tao at rider na may magandang relationship with God, and mind you, my life has been saved a lot of times miraculously by prayers. But my take is, in my humble opinion, mas importante talaga muna yung skills or knowledge sa pagdrive. And then, pair it with prayer. Kasi realistically speaking, kahit anong dasal mo, kung hindi ka talaga marunong mag-drive or kung mababa yung skills mo or kulang yung knowledge mo sa pagdadrive, mas mataas yung chance na madisgrasya ka or makadisgrasya ka. Kahit pagano kabisa yung prayer mo. Pero kung meron kang good riding skills or driving habits, at enough knowledge sa kalsada, mas malayong mas mataas yung road safety level mo. Ako kasi pag nagdasal bago mag-drive, it's like I'm telling and conditioning my subconscious mind to be mindful of the road na mag-iingat sa pagdadrive. Sinasama ko na rin sa prayers ko not only myself, lahat ng makasabay sa daan, makasalubong, makasunod, and even yung pedestrians. I think that's how prayer works. You pray, and at the same time, you put yourself in the position for your prayers to be answered. When you ask for protection, you also have to protect yourself. When you ask for road safety, you also make sure to drive safely. Alright, hanggang sa muli awesome friends, thanks for watching. And once again, this is RJ Mr. Brightside, your average rider saying, Carpe Diem, live your life to the fullest and inspire others to do the same.